welcome back to the Ruby White Road. Today, Miss Gracie and I are at Cooleman Ridge Reserve where we are going to be hiking up Mount Arawang. So we've actually had a bit of a drive around Canberra today because we were going to hike Black Mountain, but unfortunately poor Miss Gracie isn't allowed in the nature park there. So let's get started. Okay, so we are now officially in the Cooleman Ridge Reserve, and our first stop is the top of Cooleman Hill. So we're heading up here to the summit of there, then we'll head across to Mount Arawang and climb to the top over there. Hey guys, so we made it to the top of Cooleman Hill and I got the hammock. Oh, come here Gracie, come here. She's a little scared of her lead when it starts retracting on her. But the view up here is amazing. So it's really short to get up here. It's quite steep. But next up we are headed to Mount Arawang, which is our main summit today. So we're getting a 2-in-1 summit walk today. And it's pretty special up here, I have to say. I like this hammock. Can you guys hear that? Gracie can. There's all these birds she can hear. I don't know what they are, but I don't think she's heard them before because she's just a little scared but very curious all at the same time, and she keeps on just stopping and listening intensely to make sure they're not coming to get us, I suppose. And she is a little scared of birds. As soon as those wings open, she's running the opposite direction. Okay, so we are on a pretty trail here. It's quite a nice section. We've got the forest on one side and we have another summit. I'm not sure which hill this one is behind me here, but it's quite nice. Okay guys, I'm getting my first really good look at Mount Arawang. There's lots of birds flying around and a couple are moving like they could potentially be eagles, so that'll be something really cool to check out once we're up there. But there it is, almost there for our summit for today. It's been a really amazing walk, and what's really cool, I'm on these fire roads here for the Centenary Trail. There's a lady out here in a motorized wheelchair, so it kind of provides access to everyone, and it's just a beautiful day to be outside, and I'm so happy she gets to share it with us all. Gracie and I made it to the summit of Mount Arawang, but we still got a few more kilometers to go, don't we, girl? So we're going to be going back a different way to the way that we came, and it's really happy to go and see some more of this beautiful reserve. And Gracie saw some of her best friends, some kangaroos, running just a second ago. Well, they don't run, they jump, but she wants to jump too. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. There's 3 eagles just like soaring up high just above me. Like, it's just so cool, and they're getting so high. I'm losing them up in the cloud above. Okay, so this side of the mountain is a lot longer and steeper than the way we came up. So if you're coming to do the hike, if hill climbing is your thing, come up this side. If not, definitely go up the other side. If you don't like going down steep hills, go back down the same way. It all does link in together, but it is very steep. Okay guys, that's a wrap on another hike here in Canberra. So Cooleman Ridge Reserve is somewhere where I definitely recommend you go and check out. We had a great time going up over Cooleman Ridge, and the backside was really natural, really hiking path material, and we had a lot of fun. On the way back, as you saw, is all mainly shared paths. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming adventures. And until next time, I'll see you later. Say bye, Gracie. Bye. She's ready to go home and have a nap, I think. So am I. See ya.